and you got some results. So,
yeah.
So how many of these pre-built websites, and I know you're in the home services niche with these as well, how many of them have you sold so far?
10.
10.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's been
10.
pretty good.
That's amazing. Hey there, Tom Gaddis here. It's 2022 and I have a question for you. Are you ready to crush it in the new year? Are you ready to build a bigger, better local agency, one that brings you in the greatest profits you've ever had? Well, it's fitting that I'm shooting this video here in sunny Las Vegas, because when you click that button below, it's like you've hit the freaking jackpot. It will be a huge lotto win for you, your agency, your lifestyle, and more importantly, your income. See, we've been recently experimenting with a new way to bring in lots of local website clients quickly, one without all the hassles you would normally expect. You know the hassles I'm talking about, right? Finding a good design, finding responsible vendors, finding quality or creating quality content to put on there, figuring out what features to put and adding those, which platform is best, installing. I mean, if it wasn't for those hassles, websites would be a pretty sweet deal, right? Well, after today, all those hassles are eliminated with our Jackpot product. And this is not your typical done-for-you thing. This is more like done for you on double down steroids. And if that wasn't enough, we've combined this with the hottest market out there, home services. That right, the home services niche is on fire right now, and we want to put you right in the middle of the action. I mean, just look at what's going on in our economy. People everywhere are renovating, upgrading, maintaining, making their properties more valuable. Home service contractors are busier than they have ever been, but it's also more competitive than it's ever been. This is the niche you want to be selling in. So that's our new formula for success. Combine our done-for-you website system with the hottest niche out there, give you everything you need to get up and running in the blink of an eye. Sound exciting? Well, it has been the talk of our community since we let it leak out recently. In fact, you'll see down on this page, some of our members are crushing it with this formula. And now is your only chance to get in. So I want to make you a very special offer, one that takes all the risk away from you. So today, when you jump in, we're just asking a small payment, one far less than what this is going to cost in just a few days from now. And if I know you, you're the type of person I think you are, you see the value in this, and you're going to want to jump in immediately. That way, Nick and I can say, welcome, my friend. You hit the jackpot.